Hello, this is David G. with Unplugged Meditation, and welcome to today's Stillness and Silence Within meditation. Let's get comfortable. Either sit or lie down. And during this meditation, or any meditation, if you start to feel a little uncomfortable, if your leg falls asleep, if you feel a little tightness or there's a constriction in your physical body, scratch that itch, rub that pain. Don't feel you need to hold on. We don't do that. We get as comfortable as possible and we keep moving towards comfort during the entire meditation. So the stillness and silence within meditation is an ancient technique. And it requires you to truly just get as light as possible. So together, let's take a long, slow, deep breath in. And as we breathe in, let's allow our eyelids to gently float closed. And gently let that go. And now let's continue to watch our breath as it moves in and witness it as it flows back out. Now notice your body as you breathe. Notice how deep the breath goes in. Notice how far down the breath goes until we turn it around. And notice as you breathe, there's an end point to the inhale and an end point to the exhale. Feel yourself slowing. Feel your mind calming. And just keep watching your breath. Feel your body relaxing. And surrender to the breath. Notice that there's this space, this teeny, teeny sliver of space between your inhale and your exhale. That's your still point. That's who you truly are between all the activity in your life. And just notice that sliver of space, that still point, that silent point between the two activities. Just allow yourself to connect to the stillness and silence between your breaths. Don't do anything with it. Just keep surrendering. Keep accepting. Keep noticing that you're slowing, calming, relaxing. And if you drift away to thoughts or sounds or physical sensations, that's okay. As soon as you realize you've drifted away, ever so gently, drift back to that still point, that space between your breaths. I'll watch the time. And when you hear the chime, just sit gently with your eyes closed. Just sit gently with your eyes closed and let the stillness and silence settle in. Now feel free to move your fingers and toes. And together, let's take a long, slow, deep breath in. And gently let that go. Feel yourself coming back into your body, into activity. Another long, slow, deep breath in. And gently release. And when it feels comfortable, you can slowly open your eyes. And know that you've planted a powerful seed of stillness and silence that will follow you around all day long, allowing you to have greater clarity, greater patience, and deeper fulfillment as you move throughout the day. Enjoy.